Hello friends, myself Jadhav Suvarna from Kekewag Arts, Commerce, Science and Computer Science College, Pimpras Ramaje. Today I will explain coordinations chemistry. First of all, what do you mean by coordination chemistry? First of all, a coordination compound, sometimes called as a coordination complex, contains a central metal atom or ion surrounded by number of oppositely charged ion or neutral molecules possessing lone pair of electron, which are known as ligands. If a ligand is capable of forming more than one bond with the central metal atom or ion, then ring structure are produced, which are known as metal chelates. The ring forming group are described as chelating agent or polydentate ligands. The coordination number of the central metal atom or ion is the total number of sites occupied by ligands. Note, a bidentate ligand use two sites, a tridentate use three sites, etc. For example, COCl, NO2, NH3 thrice 4 times. In this complex, the cobalt oxidation state of cobalt is calculated. Then chlorine, the charge of chlorine atom is -1. Then charge of NO2 atom is -1 and the total negative charge is 2 minus. Then net charge on a complex is X minus 2 negative charge is equal to plus 1. Then X is equal to plus 3. Then coordination number of this complex is 6 because there is a presence of 4 ammonia and 2 NO group, 2 NO2 and chlorine. Then the coordination number of this complex is 6. Then following are some molecular formulas and their coordination number, donor atom, Lewis acid and Lewis base or ligands. Then in first column, first example is tetracyano zinc ZnCN4 2 minus. The Lewis base or ligand is cyanide. The Lewis acid is Zn plus and the donor atom of this complex is a carbon and the total coordination number is a 4 because 4 cyanide are present. Then second, hexachloroplatinum. The Lewis base or ligand is a chlorine. Lewis acid is a Pt4 plus. Donor atom is a chlorine and the total coordination number of this complex is a 6 because there are 6 chlorine. Then next NiNH3 6 2 plus hexaamino nickel. The Lewis base or ligand is NH3. Lewis acid is Ni2 plus. Donor atom is a nitrogen and the total coordination number of this complex is a 6 because 6 NH3 are present. Then types of ligand. There are many types of ligand. Then first is a monodentate ligand. Meaning of monodentate ligand. When ligand donate only one pair of electron to the metal atom is called as a monodentate ligand. Only one pairs of electron are present in the monodentate ligand. For example, chlorine contains only lone pair, then hydroxy OH, oxygen contains lone pair, then amine, nitrogen contains lone pair, then methylamine, one carbon atom contains 3 hydrogen and second nitrogen atom contains 2 hydrogen and lone pair. This is an example of monodentate ligand. Then second is bidentate ligand. Meaning of bidentate ligand: the ligands that contain two or more atoms, each of which can simultaneously form two electron donor bonds to the same metal ion. These ligands are also called as a chelate ligands. For example, ethylene diamine (EN). It contains the two nitrogen atom and there are two lone pair on a two different nitrogen. Then oxalato OX2 minus. It also contains two oxygen atom and two lone pair. Then next is a multidentate ligand. The example of multidentate ligand is a diethyl tetramine, trine, EDTA, etc. Many lone pairs are present in a many dentate ligand. Then isomer. First of all, isomer means same molecular formula but different structural arrangement. Isomers can produce different ions in solution. There are example PtCl2 NH34 Br2 that gives PtBr2 NH34 times Cl2. Polymerization isomers. There are 7 compounds with formula CONH3 thrice NO2 thrice. Then coordination isomer. There are many examples are present in coordination isomers. Then linkage isomer, example nitro and nitrito, nitrogen and oxygen coordination is possible. Then enantiomer. What do you mean by enantiomer? Enantiomer is non-superimposable mirror images is called as enantiomer. The example is given as follows. Then nomenclature for coordination compound. Example Na in bracket PtCl3 NH3 bracket complete. Sodium trichloroamino platinate second. In this, platinum is a central metal. The oxidation state of platinum is a 2. Then second example is potassium tetrabromo cuprate second K2CuBr4. There is a presence of 4 bromine atom and potassium. The oxidation state of copper is a second. Then third example trans iodocubis ethylene diamine cobalt third nitrate. Then next example is mer trichlorotris triphenylphosphine ruthenium third. Thank you.